Hey everyone, it's Brad and Jen, and we are standing on the porch of what we used to call the Krakhaus. It's looking a little better. The porch is still a little rough, and we got some work to do. But you can see our sky blue ceiling. We need to put some crown molding up, and we're going to attack these columns in the near future. But we are done with the inside, and we thought we'd give you guys a tour. Let's walk through the bright red door. Now we did a before video, and we'll link to that with this post so you guys can see, and we'll kind of go in the same order this time. But here is the beautiful living room, restored oak hardwood floors, new windows throughout, ceiling fans. And when we first walked through here, there was a fireplace right here, and we've got some photos of the pools of water that were leaking through a hole in the roof right here. The roof had pushed this wall out and detached the wall from the house, and some guys had started to repair it, covered the roof with felt, and then stopped with just felt on the roof, and then it rained and was just pouring water in here. So when we made a commitment to buy the house, we got the keys and started sweeping out the water after every rainstorm until we closed and could get a new roof on the house. As you swing to the left here, this is the front bedroom. Beautifully restored. There was a fireplace right here, which we took out. We took both the fireplaces out and all the way down and reclaimed the space. You can kind of see, you can't really see because I did such a great job on this wood floor where the fireplace used to be, but it used to be right here. And then we pushed this back wall. This used to be a pass-through doorway to the kitchen. And we pushed that wall back about 2 feet and installed a pocket door and turned it into, turned it into a lovely little bathroom with a standing shower. Finished the wood floor in here. And when we pushed that wall 2 feet in, this used to be a closet just like it is now, but it gave us a much larger closet for what we figure will be the spare bedroom for this house. Now we closed off the pass-through to the kitchen, so now the only egress to the kitchen is through this hallway. Once upon a time, this hall had a door at the end into the bathroom. We closed that off and made it more of a modern layout with the bathroom attached to the master bedroom as a master suite. Here is the kitchen. Brand new kitchen, new cabinets, restored wood floor. Fancy lighting, I'll show you in a second. Laundry room, right off the kitchen. Kind of a little modern touch, which is nice with those lights. Big fan over where probably a dining room table will go. There was, in the original video, right where this corner cabinet is, there's a Lazy Susan in there now. But there was a piece of plywood here, and there was some rot and a piece of sill that we had to replace. And then you can see the floor patch a little bit stronger here than in some of the other rooms. The damage is a little more severe, and the joints aren't perfect, but it's pretty good. And then originally, in the original video, this from the sort of that edge of the door to right where I'm standing here was a wall, and this was a giant pantry. It wasn't big enough, it wasn't wide enough for a laundry room, which was a shame, or we probably would have been tempted to keep that layout. But the original exterior door was right here, and then this was a little landing that was sort of useless as a porch. It was too narrow, and it was oppressive, and there was a little double pane set of windows here, and then another open doorway leading to the backyard. So we kind of closed that off and reclaimed it as house space. Since we had taken a little bit of land from the kitchen to make that bathroom on the other side, we gave it all this extra space, made a combined kitchen and dining room that's really good usable space. So we're very, very happy here. This little closet was a closet in the master bedroom at one point, and when we did what we did in there, which I'll show you in a second, we turned this into a utility closet for the hot water heater, just wide enough for a 19-inch hot water heater, and the air turn above it. So we turned that closet space into a very good utility space, and we moved the the circuit breaker, the electrical panel into this hallway. So all the sort of the utility stuff is in the hallway and not in anybody's living room or anybody's bedroom. Here's the master bedroom as it now stands. Big, beautiful, 19 feet wide. Giant closet. This used to be the majority of the fireplace that we took out. Big, wide, double closet. And then we left part of what was the closet here as an open space for a nook for a big chair for reading, or a signature piece of furniture, a dresser, or a TV, something like that. We just left that as a little open space. And then finally, that bathroom, which was a hot mess in the original video, you should really go back and check that out, is now very spacious bathroom. Little sink tucked in the cubby here, standing shower. We were able to keep a big window for some good natural light. And that's it. We are thrilled with the Krakhaus, which is no longer the Krakhaus. It is the Wendell G. Cottage, and we have tenants moving in tomorrow, and they're very excited, and so are we. Thanks, guys.